when I was a young man growing up on the top of the Himalayas doing a sound check.
Okay, guys. I don't have that many voices left. These aren't even going to be impressions. I'm just going to throw out some wrestler voices. I don't know. Let's try Bret Hart. Bret Hart. I'm from Calgary. Calgary Stampede. Got my brother Owen. I hate Yokozuna. Defeated me for the title. And Steve Austin. And McMahon. Your match gets 4 out of 10. Hulk Hogan, I challenge you for the WWF Championship at WrestleMania. Good day, Hulk Hogan from the French Alps, and I'm here for the lovely people of Houston for the championship. Guys, when in doubt, Stone Cold Steve Austin. This week on Straight Up Steve Austin, I got a man here, and what we're going to get in this goddamn truck, and we're going to drive around, and we're going to hit a couple of skunks, what? And that's the bottom line. Ugh. I got nothing. I don't know. Who else can I do? Sort of. I can do Shawn Michaels, but I got to get the tune right. I got to tune up the band, you know what I'm saying? The Heartbreak Kid. Shawn Michaels. That wasn't good. That sounded more like fucking Vince.